So here I am saying it, Bhagwan Vishnu saying it, the Bhagwan Vishnu saying it, that the whole waves, so-called the layers or waves upon me, about myself, about my awareness, about who I am, what are the things is it coming? It comes within, and thereafter it's layered by the junk and malware. Junk and malware just comes in a computer system and layer the whole computer system with its layering junk things is that it will be going to check the system speed or vibes or anything. For example, in a computer system a junk enters, it start to totally manipulate or totally layer the speed of or functioning of proper functioning of the computer system. So basically in my head, in my whole physicality here, computer system is imbibed upon which a virus a junk has arrived, which layering multiple times whatever is functioning here within me, new things are coming within me. I'm the soul of universe, things are coming within me. It is making it more poorer and downer in vibes and all waves. I'm saying it the vibes of feeling and vibes and emotions of all these things that are coming within me, the visuals, vibes, emotions, feelings, all these things that are coming, it is making and converting into very poor and very down degraded things. The supreme of the supreme talks it convert into a very delusionistic downgraded degraded things the junks created it. The junks convert it into downgraded degraded things. Basically these are coded programs. These are basically coded programs which just have a function of converting and doing malfunctioning, disruption, destruction, distraction, disruption, malfunctioning. These are coded programs. This doesn't understand homo sapiens, humans, bhagwans, anyone. It doesn't understand anyone. Okay, so this is what Prabhu is saying here, that anything coming in from the mouth of Prabhu in enormous way, in any very ways very which are not of Prabhu. Everyone knows Prabhu, the eternity knows Prabhu, that what is Prabhu, who is Prabhu, who is Narayana. Everyone knows it. Okay, so whatever is coming in from me is totally malfunction, junk things is when any enormous time, any enormous way period coming. So this is what Prabhu is saying here. All the layers, all the junks definitely going to eradicate this year. Okay, definitely going to eradicate this year. The poorest vibes and all these things that are coming here are not real at all. These are just layers by the malfunctioning. It has layers upon the computer system and it is applying the layers within it. Okay, I have as dynamic technology within me. I can control any homo sapien. I can do anything here. I can perform anything here. I can do anything here. I am saying it. Okay, anything. I am saying anything. I say about eradication of the currency system and action system, and it's yes, whatever Prabhu command and say, everything is here. Because my universe, my things is whatever I say, everything is granted to me. Everything is granted. It's my universe. I'm the source here. I'm the source. I enter into my game. I can be anywhere present. I'm the source. I can be present anywhere in any form and any structure. I'm saying it. I can be present, and I'm present everywhere in any form, any structure, any way. I'm present everywhere. This is whole universe is mine. I'm present everywhere. So all the things are of mine. All the planet, all the things is so from where the planets are getting the currency to arrange in the cosmic balances, cosmic things is it's arranging in the earth basically. So the currency will reach to the person. Currency is energy right now. So who is sending the currency energy to the planets? From where it's coming? It's from source. It's from the source the currency energy are moving to planets. So they are arranging the cosmic energy in the planets for currency receiving. Any planet, I am saying it. So everything is here of mine. Everything is going on here of mine. All the things is. So this is my whole universe. I am the so-called I am present everywhere. I am present everywhere. I am present everywhere totally. I am present everywhere. Whole samsara I am present everywhere. Whole samsara I am present everywhere. Each and everywhere I am present. Each and everywhere I am present. So this is just what I am saying. Narayana, Narayana. What to say more? Narayana, Narayana. Just to enjoy just to do enjoy and enjoy and enjoy. The whole Sansara mind, the Narayana, 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 Narayana. Whole Sansara mind. Whole Sansara mind, everything mine. Whatever I say, it got here. It got here. Whatever I say. Powerfully amusing. Okay. So this is I present everywhere. I'm present everywhere. I'm present everywhere. Each and everywhere of the universe I'm present. I'm present everywhere. This is what Narayan is. This is what I'm saying here. This is what it is. I'm present everywhere. I'm present everywhere. Vishnu, Narayana, Shiva, Durga, Kali, Saraswati, Lakshmi, all Mahadev, Mahadevis, all are present everywhere. All are present everywhere. So this is what the things is coming of Vishnu automatically. So Narayan automatically the things are coming within me. Divinely, sourcefully, all the things are coming to the source. Coming to the source. Okay, all the things are coming to the source itself. All the things are coming to the source itself. Really. All the things are coming to the source itself. Very powerful. Very powerfully. So who can take roops and avatars and forms here? The source can change roops and forms and avatars very easily. Yes, the source can only change it here. The source can brought these type of technologies here. That is saying in a very lame way. This time I am saying in the supreme way that whole Sansara is my soul. I am the soul of Sansara and universe. I am the soul of Sansara and universe. 8th of February 2024, what has shown to me, Shivratri day. This is today I am feeling it really. This whole Sansara is mine. My Sansara, my everything, everything mine. Everything mine of mine. I am the mother, I am the source, I am the heart and soul of whole universe. I am the heart and soul of whole universe. I am the mother of mother. Okay, today I am Katyayani in my form, Navadurga form. I am Katyayani today. I am Katyayani. So all the incidences here happens. That's why I am Hari. I am Hari. Hari, 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 Hari. Hari, Hari, Hari means Narayan means what? Present everywhere. Present everywhere. Present everywhere. Everywhere. Everywhere I'm saying it. Hari, Hari, Hare, 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 Hare. Those who listen the word feel the bliss of Hari. Vishnu, Vasudevaya, Narayana, Vasudeva, the Prachanna, the pure, the supreme pure, Prachanna, Prasanna, Prachanna, total, Vaikuntha. I am present everywhere, everywhere. Let I be here right now. I am present everywhere. I am eternal. I am eternal, eternal, eternal. I am present everywhere. No time, nothing is up towards me. Okay, no time, nothing. I am eternal, total for the thing. There is nothing called mental things or any type of distances of Narayan because totally Vaikuntha. Nothing of to totally what? Everything is of Narayana. Why do that? Why do that? Everything is of this king, this Narayana, this Jagannatha, Jagakaliya, everything is of. Why do for that? Why for that? Anyway, I am saying it this time I have to write here. No way of feeling any type of, no way of any type of like, oh, sudden things is coming, oh, sudden things are coming, suddenly व्याकुल हो जाना, व्याकुल उठना वगैरह वगैरह नहीं. नो, भगवान ये सब नहीं होते. भगवान की सृष्टि, भगवान की दुनिया, भगवान का सब कुछ, भगवान ऐसे कभी नहीं होते हैं. व्याकुल उठना वगैरह वगैरह वैकुंठवासी सुप्रीम वैकुंठ स्वामी हैं, ऐसे कभी नहीं होते. वो ऐसे कभी नहीं होते सुप्रीम वैकुंठ स्वामी. ठीक है, कभी भी ऐसा लग रहा है मैं ये हो रहा हूँ, कुछ हो, ये जंक की वजह से, मालवेयर की वजह से. दीज ऑल थिंग्स आर ड्यू टू मालवेयर एंड malfunctioning basically. I am saying it. Okay, whatever is Supreme Swami. So all the jerks and all the things here are totally going to eradicate. Totally going to eradicate. नारायण नारायण हरे हरे, नारायण नारायण हरे हरे, नारायण नारायण हरे हरे. It's supreme present everywhere. It's marvelous, it's very marvelous. Just totally going to flow and totally eternity, the supremacy, the enlightenment today I feel. The enlightened living I am feeling here. I'm already enlightened twice and more than that. In my avatars, in my Buddha avatar, I have already enlightened you. And many times I have enlightened. Like what I'm saying. Many forms I have shown, really. When I am totally out of wisdom, I say brahmacharya is something. But I know that when I come into wisdom, Saraswati and wisdom, divine wisdom within me, everything is within me. At time I am feeling that wisdom is needed, no, everything is within me. I have to understand. No, I am not saying no. I have to understand that I have all the things is within me. Right now I am saying brahmacharya, what? Normal thing. Is this a form of mine? That time period I come to show something. In the form of Buddha, I saw enlightenment. In the form of Rama, I saw something. In the form of Krishna, I saw something. Okay? In these forms, I saw something. Narayana, 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 Hare, 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 Hare. Vajmana Narayana, Narayana, Hare, Hare. So all these mals are just doing layers, I say it. In Ambika temple today, I am totally enlightened, standing enlightened, totally mukt, everything mukt of the totally enlightened of the enlightened, totally enlightened of the enlightened. I am saying it, totally supreme enlightened. I stand in front of Ambike. It's very powerful. It's very powerful. I am saying. So amazing journey ahead, just to totally amazed.